Hey guys, remember this is part 3 of Hurricane versus Village. Remember last time when I said to be continued after the song of whatever the song yeah whatever. And today we're gonna keep going. Let's get started again. Man, it's been raining for days. I put boots with other jocks. See what's getting pulled, so I'm gonna go with the boots. I'm not getting hospital. Oh, it stopped. Oh, that looks weird. It looks like it's flooded. What's this? It's our light. Oh, everybody's good. That's good. You know, I should put them all names. So you guys are gonna get names. Okay, I already named them. I'm done now. That's good. You're Manny. Hey, Gravy. Hey, Boobs. They're Bob, Jakey, and who are you again? Cole. Your name is Cole. All of you stay in here. Boobs, you'll come with me again. Wait, that's Bob. Are you Boobs? No, I don't want Manny. Stand up, Boobs. I'll close the door into the glitch, cause oh my god. Boobs, there you are. Okay, Boobs, are you okay? I'm gonna go with the keys now. Oh gosh, why are you glitching? Get in there. Okay, we have Anna, Elsa. What's your name? Wendy. Edith, Sandy, Lily, Allie, Jasmine, Ashley, Sapphire, Hannah, who are you? Agnes, and you are Daisy. Yeah, that's all the nicknames. Oh shoot, I don't want you guys to get out of here. Stay in here. And okay. Oh, you stay here. Oops, where are you? Oh no way! The whole village. Wait, oh my gosh, the ocean got full of. I'm gonna go watch the news. Boops, if you want to stay outside, look at the damage. You could. I think some trees fall down. Not many trees got fall down. Oh please, okay. Boops, you wanna stay outside? No, I want you in here, cause it's kind of a bit cold. Because where's the hurricane? I'm gonna figure out what the hurricane now. It was so big. It's like rain 10 days and it flooded. I'm gonna click boom. National news happening. Hey everybody, it's Villager 999,999, and I was gonna be the news reporter because all of them have died in the blizzard. Remember it in the video? Okay, today a hurricane hit the earth. It hit the village again. The village got hit by meteors days ago. It caused a flood, the thunder, hard winds. It blew some trees down. It knocked down trees, and leaves got pulled. Some of the cobblestone got pulled because it was the winds got harder and harder. Luckily, we have a lot of trees, and there were floods only. There are not many floods. Okay, let's just go check it out. As you see, remember last time it was peaceful, but everything got flooded. The tree got knocked down, and we could see on the tree got knocked down. The penthouse is from the creator. It's like flooded, yeah. The whole island flooded. Even outside of the village, everything got flooded. Not that much flood because it wasn't raining a bit. Not that much because the water was getting pulled. It was about to be 10 feet, but like a 1 feet only. Trees been naked. Like this tree got naked. The leaves got over there. Trees got knocked over, and fences and animals escaped. And some of them don't want to skate because, I don't know, whatever. So this is pretty much it. Yeah, just go, just downtown. It really got hit. All the buildings got flooded. Buildings got so many trees have been disappeared. Floods. Buildings have survived, but nah, whatever. This is 999 for signing off. Oh boy, that was bad. No way, how?
Okay.
Man. Come on, let's go. Come on, follow me. Oh boy. Hey, Kyle, what are you doing down here? Leaves? Oh, no. No. Hey, guys, I'm gonna have your meat. Oh, where's my stuff? Oh, yeah, I forgot I put it in my inventory. Let me get my stuff back. I fixed them again because I don't want them to break. Okay, what's wrong, guys? Okay, hey, Boop. What's your nickname? Is it working? Okay, Boobs. I'm gonna do something. Wait, what is it? Oh, should we explore? You guys are gonna stay here, guys. I know you're still tired. One of you are still tired. Some of you, but stay here still. I don't want to lose you, cause it's still a bit windy today. Oh boy. I don't know why did this happen again. Another disaster? Wow. Well, looks like it's time to search. But first, I wanna check out my... What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? Whatever. What?
Goldie does not wear lipstick. It's his mouth. It just looks like he was born with pink red lips. Red lips.
It's another bad day. It's getting nighttime now. Don't worry. The tree again disappeared? Not again.
Ay, es que deberían de quitar estos copos de aquí.
Claro.
Estoy metiendo mi pie adentro. Guácala de pollo.
Oh no, why? Oh, hey, tiny villager. Hey, tiny villager, what are you doing? What's up? What are you doing up there? What are you doing? Oh, everything got flooded. Everything got flooded. That tree got knocked over. Oh no, leaves. Oh, the animals escaped. Oh, hey, kitty. Hey, where's my dog? Oh, there you are. Wow, this is so flooded. It's still nighttime, but don't worry. Oh man, some places got raped. Oh, everything got flooded. Oh, that tree got knocked over. Well, we're gonna keep it. Oh, wait, what are you doing here, Manny? Manny, get in here. We will explore more, guys. Sorry for taking out the music. I will put it back on. Get in there. Just stay outside here in case mobs come out, so you can attack them. I'm gonna go sleep. Oh, you can just go in there. It's another day. Oh, I'm getting headaches. Okay, your boobs. Okay, stand up, boobs. Let's go explore. tree still not down? Oh. Oh no! The tree got burned! Oh boy! Boy got flooded. How did it not break? How did it not break? How did it not break?
Javi,
Monday.
sabes que necesitas leer la Biblia también. Porque nomás te la pones ahí, tienes que aprenderte allí también. Yo cuando era niña me aprendí muchas partes de la Biblia.
Oh yeah, Mr. Crown. Oh, good thing we have the treasure still. We need some materials. Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna go back home. This is sad. Flooded. We'll get back home. Okay, we're finally home. Did you saw the damage? I don't know if there's gonna be another funeral. I'm gonna go check the news. I'm gonna go check if there's gonna be another funeral. I hope that there's no, cause I don't know if families died again. It's like there's different people. Whatever. I can't say it. Okay, get up. I'm gonna get. Let's watch the news then. Boom. Wait, I'm not turning it down. It's sad. Oh, this leaves. Did it end? Doesn't like anything to break outside only. Yeah, let's turn it on now. Boom. National news happens again. Hi everybody, welcome back to joining. And tomorrow there will be a funeral. So everybody needs to come. If you don't like to go, you still need to go because this funeral is bigger than the last funeral. So people had died because they ran out of electricity. They haven't ate anything. Kids are alone, but some of the kids, mothers or fathers lived, and kids as well. Thank God. So yeah, see you on tomorrow, guys. Aw, man. Not again. I hope this is not that sad like before. Well, time to go, Sushi. Next day. Well, today is the day. We're going to the funeral. It's the afternoon, so don't worry. We're not late. Let's go now. Oh, I'm gonna get my stuff. Put my shielder in case someone wants to murder me. Come on. Let's go. You guys stay here. I don't want to lose you all. Okay, this tree's still not down. That's not cool. That's not cool. That's not muggy. Okay, this church looks new. Oh, there's some few leaves. Oh, that leaf got inside there. Oh, I thought. Oh. Wow, it's a lot of water. Oh, we need to cross the water. Hey, it's the news reporter. Oh, get my phone. Okay, I got it now. I'm gonna... Oh, the news reporter is here. He's on the funeral. I'm gonna turn it on. News report live stream on the funeral. Hey everybody, I'm in the funeral today. See that today people died. Well, today we're gonna do it.